Hi friend, after knowing well about the difference between short tail keywords and long tail keywords, now we go about what is keyword research. Keyword research is an activity in which people or entrepreneurs observe what people are looking for over the internet. Yes, actually, keyword research is a special kind of work, is a special kind of search to know the activities of people, what they are looking for. Simple is that if you want to sell your product, just like you want to sell medicine about weight lossing, so if you have a medicine about weight lossing, you must have to know uh, how people are looking for uh, about the product, um, how to weight loss. I'm talking about the weight loss product what you are providing. Okay, so weight loss product, simple. This is I just given you an example about the weight loss product. You can also sell cheapest computer. So how people are looking for about cheapest computer, what people are typing in Google search engine to buy cheapest computer. So these things you must have to know before going to sell your product. So that is why keyword research is very important thing. So moreover, I just have written here what kind of question. Yes, you know, people put something, type something in Google search or any other search engine to ask any kind of question, to ask to know the question, to know asking question for the answer. So that Google Google provides answer, and Bing and Yahoo also provides answer when we or any other entrepreneur or content marketer ask question using search engine. So how to keyword research. In next video we'll talk about how to keyword research. Thanks.